So today we are discussing DBMS lab first program. So first program is to create employee table with employee number, name, job, manager number, salary, commission, and we have 4 queries in that. First query is to create user and grant all permission to the user. So to run the first query we will be using SQL command line. So I will go to the Oracle 11G, then click on run SQL command line, then give connect, enter username and password which you have created, then create user ABC has identified by 456 password and give all the permission from the DBA to the ABC using this syntax. Next I will go to the application express, in which I am going to use SQL workshop SQL command line. Here I am going to type the second query, that is to create the table employee, where employee number and giving the data type as number with 4 value has a primary key. Next employee name, I am using varchar 2 with size of 25. Next job, I am using data type varchar 2 25. Then manager number, data type number I am using with 4 has size. Then salary also I am using the data type number 4 with 6 size. Commission, again data type of number I am using with size of 4. So now I am going to save as table name itself, that is the employee. Save it and then run it. So table is created. Next, clear this screen. It will be saved in the saved SQL. So next you have to insert any 3 records into the employee table that contains employee name, number, job, manager number, salary and commission, and use rollback for the checking result. So before that we'll check the employee table. So describe employee table. So I am going to run. So this is the output which I am able to see. So this will be your output after creating the table. Next I am going to insert values into the employee table. So I am going to write first the syntax, that is insert into employee values. So where it will take the employee number, employee name, job description, manager number, and salary, then commission. So these are the value which I will be adding to the employee table. So this is the syntax how you are going to insert values to the employee table. So now you can insert 3 values to the employee table. So I am taking here example employee number as 11 and name as ABC and job description as SC and manager number as 10, salary has 60,000, commission has 5%. So no need of saving, just run it. One row will be inserted, you can see in the resultant. So next I am going to add the second details. So I am updating the second value. So again no need of saving the data, just run it. The row will be inserted. Then the third value I am going to update. So to check all the values are inserted or not, give select star from employee semicolon. So this will be giving you the resultant, that is the output. So run it. So see 3 values which we have inserted, we can see the output. So you can see this output. So next query is to add primary key constraint and not null constraint to the employee table. So already we have added primary key constraint. So for one table only one primary key will be there. So we are going to add the not null constraint to the employee table. So I will be using alter. So after altering table we will use describe employee table and will get these values. So where nullable values we are able to see, which will not be allowed to give empty values. So next is to insert null values to the employee table and verify the result. So one inserting values to employee table I am going to do. So insert into employee, where I am going to create one value as null value. So I am giving manager number as null value. So it will be not taking any values when we have given null condition, we can keep it as empty. Now I am running. To see the values updated, just click on select star from employee table. Run it, so you get the values. So where we have given null, it is showing with the hyphen values. So this is how you can complete the program 1.